Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off push on other updates on your Temu app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Temu app. All you have to do is just go down here, you click here on this sign here on you here and down, and it's going to take you here in this window here. It's going to show for you like this, and all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and all you have to do now, just click here on notifications, and you come to a notifications window here, just waiting to show for you like this, and you go down, you come here to order updates, you will click here on edit here, then it's going to take to show for your window like this. You come here to order updates, you will click here, or you come here to push, you will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see now, color it's gone, that's mean push it's on off on other updates. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.